what would you say if I told you there's an approach to piano technique that helps absolute beginners and consummate professionals with equal effectiveness? Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, which is just such an approach. How can I say that? Well, everybody's got the same hands. We all have hands that have bones and sinews and muscles and nerves. And when we go to play the piano, we tend to fall into the key because we're told that we have to relax, not realizing that we're compressing the key, stressing our arms, and causing ourselves to feel constrained. So somatics says the hand is a mini body. It says stand up, and a beginner all of a sudden starts to float and to feel like, oh my gosh, I can really play. A consummate professional, freed from that strain in his arm, can play even a wonderfully fast scale with new aplomb and new velocity and freedom. So there you have it. Piano Somatics really does address these core issues at any level of pianistic expertise.